What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Tech with Luke. Today we're unboxing the brand new PlayStation Portal. Let's get into it. The Portal comes in a simple but nice packaging that includes a charging cable and the Portal itself. I'm sure there's instructions in there too, but who needs those? The Portal itself actually feels much better quality than I expected. I knew the controller would probably feel similar to the standard PS5 controller, but even with the large screen, it feels proportional and comfortable in the hands. The joysticks are a little smaller, but they don't really bother me. I'm a fan of the whole design, honestly. Physically, it feels much better to hold than even a Switch, which doesn't really have the same ergonomic feel. To set up the Portal, all you have to do is connect it to your network, sign into your PS account, which is super easy with the QR code, which is much better than having to type it in on the screen like I expected. Now, when it comes down to actually connecting this thing for the first time, it didn't work out so well for me. I actually tried for like 15 minutes and gave up because it just wouldn't connect. So I had to start researching to try and figure out how to fix it. I tried the following: restarting my modem and router, moved closer to my router, restarted my PS5, restarted and reset the PS Portal, signed out and back into my PS5 profile, created a guest network to not have the PS5 and Portal on the same network, changed the PS5 settings to 1080p resolution, turned off 120Hz output, VRR and HDR, and lastly upgraded my internet speed from 500 megabytes per second to 1 gigabyte. After doing all of these things that I learned from Reddit and YouTube, the Portal now works almost flawlessly. To be honest, I'm not exactly sure which one fixed my issues or if it was a combination of them. I know increasing my internet speeds to 1 gigabyte probably had the greatest impact on the performance of the Portal, even though Sony says you only need 15 megabytes per second download speed to have smooth gameplay. This is some gameplay actually showing how smooth it's running now. If you didn't know, when you play GTA and get 1 in stars, the lights actually flash red and blue, which I thought was dope. I haven't traveled with the Portal away from the house since I made these changes, so I can't speak yet on how it will work away. But as long as I'm near my router, it's now working exactly how it should, and I can say I'm a fan, regardless of all the backlash this is getting. Even though I've read it's now sold out everywhere, which obviously means something. I hope you enjoyed this video and I appreciate you watching. Comment if you'd like me to make any particular videos on the Portal, and subscribe if you feel like it. Peace.